Observe this image. What do you expect this to be? You are correct to identify it as a mountain. This is in fact trash or mountain at the landfill. Isn't that shocking? As urbanization expands, so does urban trash. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. I bid to everyone who are eager to know what is that the reality of our world. I am Muhammad Adam bin Muhammad Ariffin and I'm from CEE 24238 and my student ID is 2021609908. In 19,220 million people made 300,000 metric tons of waste. In contrast, 10 years later, in 2000, 2.9 billion people generated 3 million tons of solid trash every day. Imagine the quantity of waste that 10 million residences can create in a day if each home generates 2 plastic garbage bags daily. That is equivalent to 20 million trash bags each day. If we continue to generate waste at this pace, our world will someday be covered with trash. Waste must be recycled since they may serve other functions. Recycling turns waste and used item into new useful material or products. This not only offers previously used items a new lease on life, but it also minimizes the quantity of raw resources required to manufacture new products. Although recycling is a good thing to be done by our community, some people still do not recycle. Making recycling a habit does not only reduce our landfills, but can provide us with a better environment. At this point, you may be wondering, what exactly is the issue here? I don't understand why I have to recycle. I don't see why. I can just dispose of my trash in the garbage bin. The significance of recycling comes from a variety of factors. More trash means more land has to be used as a landfill. Garbage is piling up in our landfills, so we'll have to build more of them. The fact is, waste is not easily degraded. Studies have shown that even biodegradable products that are environmental friendly does not degrade in landfill. This is due to the fact that garbage requires oxygen and light for degradation process to begin. But a landfill with too many layers of trash and insufficient light does not allow for degradation to proceed quickly enough. Hence, the more rubbish we throw, the more landfill we will need. As our society becomes more and more urbanized and affluent, we are producing more solid waste. Solid waste are incapable of biodegradation, or in simple term, is non-biodegradable. Urban areas generate several sorts of solid trash, including plastic bag, packaging materials, electronic waste such as used battery and broken toys, to mention a few. All these wastes are non-biodegradable, and over time, we will fill our landfill. According to the report by the World Bank, by 2025, we will have created 6 million tons of solid garbage every day. Now, that's a lot of non-biodegradable garbage filling up our landfill, and to make matters worse, these solid wastes are not degradable. Now that you're aware of the consequences of not recycling, you may be wondering, how can I include recycling into my daily life? Getting into the habit of recycling is something you can accomplish in a number of different ways. The first step is to have a deeper knowledge with the concept of recycling. In the article titled Importance of Recycling, it is stated that when you think of recycling, you should really think about the whole idea: use, reuse, and recycle. Attending recycling campaigns is another way to raise awareness, besides just knowing what recycling is. Interestingly, one of the reasons people don't recycle is because they aren't aware of how recycled goods are made from trash. You can't appreciate recycling value until you know that recycled materials are the key to the production of consumers' product. park benches built from recycled bottles, and dishwasher and washing machines manufactured from recycled steel are just two examples of many ways in which recyclable materials may put to good use. Another way of making recycling as part of your habit is to begin at home. In the first place, avoid using plastic bags and plastic paper. Instead of using plastic bag, replace it with other bags that can be reused whenever you go shopping. It is not the plastic bag that are polluting our earth, but the people who throw plastic bags indiscriminately who are polluting our earth. Therefore, you may aid in the fight against pollution and trash without lifting fingers. Second, try to shop for items with little packaging wherever you can. This will help in reducing the amount of waste and garbage that are sent to the landfill. Less packaging means less waste, and less waste means less garbage that goes to our landfill. Now, picture yourself if you don't recycle. We need to know the outcome. Therefore, I will tell you what the future holds for the planet if you don't recycle. To begin, there will be a greater quantity of garbage collected and taken to landfill. Because of this, we will soon or later need to construct more landfills to accommodate the growing amount of trash that we make. Our world will be strained under the weight of our rubbish. With more landfill, there will be more environmental problems. Landfills pollute the environment and destroy the beauty of the city. Landfills can also affect the health of people we will live there, as the toxic air pollutants from landfill can lead to respiratory problems. In order to get into the habit of recycling, it is important to think about the problems and the consequences that might arise if we didn't. To conclude, recycling may help us maintain a healthier environment. We will get a clean environment to live on, and we also will get a healthy life because there is no pollution around us. To get there, we need to spread awareness of environmental issues and turn recycling into a new norm. Starting from today, start recycling now. When you refuse to reuse, it is our earth you abuse.